Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 9 of Jingle Lills. I don't have a crafty video for you guys today, but the giveaways must go on. So therefore, I have a prize pack for you guys. You guys are going to be able to win this prize pack if you comment down below, enter me. You guys already know, even if I don't craft, there will be a giveaway up until the 12 days are over. So for this giveaway, you guys are going to be winning these cute little box gift card holders. A lot of you guys were looking for these ornaments and didn't find them in Dollar Tree, so since I bought 2, I will be giving one away. And then you guys will be winning this cute little gift card holder. It's a little mug with little peppermint and like cinnamon sticks in it, super cute. These wooden clips, Heidi Swap washi tape. I'm also giving away this Mistletoe Magic 6x6 paper pad by My Mind's Eye. Giving away a pack of tiny clothespins, red and green. These wood clips. These like kind of like metal gift tags. Some foam trees, some cute little Christmas stickers, some more gift tags with some cute little bells, some glitter stickers, and some chipboard gift tags. And whoever wins this, you guys know that I love to print and cut. I will cut you a pack of ephemera of whatever collection you guys would like, as long as I have it. We can discuss that once I pick the winner, but I will cut you a pack of ephemera on my Cricut. But yeah, you guys, that is the gift pack for today. I hope you guys are excited. I'm sorry it wasn't a crafty video, but it's been kind of a crazy weekend. It's Sunday. I just want to relax. So I decided to put together some stuff to give away to you amazing. Sorry guys, my video cut off for some reason, but what I was trying to say is that it's Sunday and I just wanted to relax and start the week with a relaxed day. But I still wanted to give you guys a fun giveaway and of course the episode for day 9. I'm not gonna let you guys down. And if you guys see the shadow of me doing that, I talk with my hands. So a lot of my videos, you can see my hands moving around, and it's because I talk with my hands. Does anybody do that? If you talk with your hands, leave a comment down below. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are excited to possibly win this Christmas pack. And I will catch you guys on day 10. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I appreciate you guys so much. And don't forget to leave the comment saying enter me so you can be entered. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.